Welcome to the Deviants channel, and in this episode of Quick and Easy I'm going to be showing you how to blur the background of your image in Photoshop. So let's begin. So I'm in Photoshop right now and I've got two different layers. The first one I do is go to the quick selection tool and I just want to drag it over the area of the chicken. I'm just increasing the size with it, and as you can see I'm covering as much of the chicken as possible. And for the smaller areas I'm going to shrink the brush size. Just going to zoom in just so I can get them smaller details so I don't catch it in the blur. Decreasing the size of the brush and just getting the smaller bits of his leg. We don't need to do it perfectly, we'd use the pen tool if we were doing more precise, but it would take much longer. So once we've got most of the chicken selected, we just want to zoom back out. We want to hit Control Shift I, which inverses our selection. Then we want to head over to Filter and then Blur. And as you can see there's a multitude of blurs here we can choose, but I'm going to choose Gaussian, which is the most basic. You can choose the strength of it through the drop menu here. So I'm just going to go for something like, that should be alright there. And there we go. That's how to blur an image in Photoshop. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of the playlist.